Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you about the physics behind Korotkoff sounds. Korotkoff sounds are the thumping that you hear in a stethoscope whenever you're measuring arterial blood pressure. Arterial blood pressure is the measure of the amount of pressure that blood is exerting on the arterial wall. The first Korotkoff sound is systolic and the last is the diastolic. Blood pressure is measured with a cuff like this one. It has an official name, but I can't pronounce it, so I'm just going to call it a blood pressure cuff, and a stethoscope like this one. So what exactly is it that produces these sounds? Well, typically the flow in a blood vessel is laminar. It's very uniform, and there is almost no vibration in the wall of the vessel because of it. This is the flow. Whenever you apply pressure to the vessel, turbulent flow occurs. Turbulent flow occurs between systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So turbulent flow is much more disorganized, and this disorganized flow causes more vibration in the vessel wall, and that's what the sound is that you're hearing when you're measuring blood pressure, the Korotkoff sounds. Turbulent flow occurs between or below systolic and above diastolic blood pressure, which is why it's used to measure it. So next time you take blood pressure and you're wondering what you're listening to, now you know. Thanks for listening.